In our fast-paced, chaotic world, finding inner peace often feels like chasing a mirage. We're surrounded by distractions, overwhelmed by responsibilities, and constantly pulled in 100 different directions. But what if I told you there's an ancient path to serenity? A Stoic guide that can help us let go of what's beyond our control and focus on what truly matters. Today, let's explore the art of letting go, a Stoic's guide to inner peace. Imagine being in a stormy sea. The waves are crashing and the wind is howling. It's terrifying, but you notice something: a lighthouse in the distance. That lighthouse represents Stoic wisdom, a beacon guiding us through life's tempests. And at the heart of Stoicism lies the idea of letting go. Letting go doesn't mean giving up or becoming indifferent. It means releasing our grip on things we can't change and shifting our energy to what we can influence. As Epictetus wisely said, some things are up to us and some things are not. Let's start with a simple question. What's weighing you down? It could be the fear of failure, the need for validation, or the constant pressure to be perfect. These burdens don't just exhaust us, they trap us in a cycle of stress and dissatisfaction. The Stoics teach us to examine our fears and desires and ask, are these within my control? By identifying what's truly ours to manage, we liberate ourselves from unnecessary anguish. Picture this. You're standing in a field, holding a heavy backpack. Each item in the backpack represents a worry, regret, or fear. Now imagine taking out each item, looking at it, and deciding whether to keep it or leave it behind. This is the essence of letting go, consciously choosing what to carry with you. One powerful tool for letting go is the practice of negative visualization. It might sound counterintuitive, but it's transformative. Close your eyes and imagine losing something you value deeply. It could be a job, a possession, or even a relationship. This exercise isn't meant to frighten you, but to help you appreciate what you have and prepare for life's inevitable changes. By confronting the possibility of loss, you build resilience and reduce fear's grip on your mind. Another Stoic principle is the idea of amor fati, or loving one's fate. It's about embracing life's events, good and bad, as part of a larger, meaningful whole. Imagine facing a setback, perhaps a missed opportunity or a sudden challenge. Instead of resisting or resenting it, ask yourself, how can I grow from this? How can I turn this into a lesson? By aligning with life's flow, rather than fighting against it, you cultivate a profound sense of peace. Letting go also means releasing our attachment to outcomes. We often measure our worth by external achievements, forgetting that true fulfillment comes from living in alignment with our values. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. So instead of obsessing over results, focus on the effort and intention you bring to each moment. That's where true peace resides. Finally, let's talk about forgiveness, a cornerstone of letting go. Holding on to grudges is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to suffer. Forgiveness isn't about condoning wrongs, it's about freeing yourself from the chains of resentment. Imagine letting go of anger, not for them, but for you. How much lighter would you feel? So how do we start letting go? Begin small. Practice gratitude for what you have, reflect on what's within your control, and embrace life's imperfections. Remember, letting go isn't a single act, it's a lifelong journey. It's about peeling back the layers of fear, doubt, and attachment to reveal the calm and clarity within. As we close, take a deep breath. Feel the weight of your burdens lifting, even if just a little. Letting go is not about perfection, it's about progress. And with each step you take, you move closer to a life of peace, purpose, and resilience. Thank you for watching, and if this resonates with you, share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on this journey of wisdom and growth. Live better. Think deeper.